Hello, my name is Carter Mortensen. That's my mom, my older sister Alex, and a family friend Jared. The politician that makes legends sound human. Cassius Marcellus Clay, also known as the Lion of Whitehall, was so influential that the greatest boxer in history, Muhammad Ali, was also named Cassius Clay after Cassius Clay. If that's not impressive enough, he was so deadly, he puts Andrew Jackson and Alexander Hamilton to shame. Cassius Clay needs more recognition for his accomplishments. He was also a general, a politician, and an abolitionist. Clay did so much for the anti-slavery movement that the majority of people can't even comprehend the process behind his thoughts and actions, which includes putting himself and his family in danger. Clay was almost killed on 2 occasions. The Cross-Cultural Solidarity History Project says that at a debate, while Clay was being shot, he unsheathed the Bowie knife. The Bowie knife took the hit and saved his life. Despite the Bowie knife taking the hit, Cassius tossed Sam Brown, the assassin, over the embankment after slicing off his nose and an ear. He was also at a gathering wherein 6 men wielding knives and clubs attacked Cassius. He was stabbed in the back. He ended the fight by gutting one of the assailants, and the rest fled. Cassius was willing to risk his life to fight slavery and to voice his beliefs. The Clay Family Society says that in 1862, Clay briefly returned to the United States when Lincoln offered him a commission in the Union Army as a Major Guard. Clay declared he would only accept if Lincoln would emancipate slaves under Confederate control. Lincoln sent Clay to Kentucky and border states to test the mood for emancipation. When Clay reported back positively, Lincoln wrote the Emancipation Proclamation, which went into effect in January of 1863. Clay was a man of many talents. Again, he was a general, a politician, and an avid abolitionist. Clay was outspoken in his beliefs about slavery, even to the point on multiple occasions he was attemptedly murdered. Most likely, none of us are ever going to take a bullet for voicing our beliefs, and even if we do take a bullet, most likely we won't ever voice those beliefs again out of fear for being shot. Thank you. Oh yeah, there's my sister Alex, my mom, and friend Jared.